In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS launcher on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue. Then tap on Continue again and wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, click on While using the app and Allow in all of them. Then close and add. Manage all of those options or click on Set as Default right away at the top. You can always operate them later on. Now to apply iOS Launcher, click on it and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, access the same app, hit Set as Default, and click on POCO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!